it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? Happy Vlogmas. I know I did not do Vlogmas this year, but in today's video, we are gonna go Christmas shopping. I'm so excited to go Christmas decor shopping because not only do I get to go shopping for my favorite holiday of the year, Matt is also coming with me. My favorite thing to do with Matt is run errands. So today we're gonna go to like 2, maybe even 3 Targets to find Christmas decor. The other day, we actually went Christmas tree shopping. This is the Christmas tree Matt and I picked out together, and we literally had the best time picking out a tree. We looked through every single tree, and this one ended up being the most perfect one. But for some reason, this Christmas tree looks really crooked. But when we first bought the tree, it was not crooked. When we first bought it, it was standing straight up, but now it's like leaning like the Tower of Pisa. Also, if you guys haven't seen my boyfriend tag with Matt yet, I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys. But just in case you guys had no idea, Matt and I met on Hinge, and I'm super stoked that Hinge reached out to me and wanted to sponsor today's video. That is crazy because I literally met Matt on the dating app Hinge. Matt and I just have like this amazing relationship, and I love that Hinge is pro healthy relationships, not only with your boyfriend or girlfriend, but with food and social media and technology. I am just a firm believer that Hinge completely works. Like literally, like Matt and I met on Hinge. The only dating app I've ever downloaded is Hinge, and that is because I've just heard horror stories. I don't like the idea of just like swiping left and right on people without actually getting to know them. And so that's why I really liked Hinge, because I feel like you get to know people more on like a human level, so I love that. You don't just swipe left and right, you kind of like heart things about them. I literally make all of my friends that are single download Hinge. Guys, you guys have no idea how many people that I know of are dating their Hinge people. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna wait for Matt. In the meantime, I need to clean my living room because it is a giant mess. Also, I feel like I haven't shown you guys what my living room looks like. We need to do this. Honestly, it's not too bad right now. So if you walk in the front door, you turn left. This is my living room. Yeah, oh god. So we need to clean this up. Here's what it looks like from this angle. Yeah, so your girl needs to do this. Do you guys see all these candles? I'm obsessed with Bath & Body Works candles, but it's like a healthy obsession. 20 minutes later, and I cleaned up the living room. I'm pretty proud of myself. There's a few things that don't belong in the living room right now, but overall, I did a fantastic job. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you guys what I did. Hi, thank you. Oh my god, this is the problem. I just throw all of my packages in my living room. That is why your living room becomes a mess, Tiff. You need to stop doing that. Let me show you guys my living room right now. Whoa. Here is the before, the after. I kind of like added another little Christmas tree right here. Moved the mirror over here. Everything looks great. If you guys are hearing weird knocks throughout this video, it's because I have roofers here today. You gotta keep your house healthy, not just your mind and your body and your relationships. You gotta also take care of your house. Kind of expensive. I think it's $4,000. Fixing roofs is not cheap. So I have 3 leaks around the house. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of brown right here. That is like a water stain coming through. Also on the roof right here, you can see that there is water damage right here. I'm hoping to get everything fixed in the next 2 weeks. So before Matt and I go Christmas shopping, I want to check what Christmas decorations I already have. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, this is way heavier than I thought it would be. What did I do? We got it! We found the Christmas bin. So we gotta take this into the living room. Yes! Here's all of the Christmas decor. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh my god. If you guys are longtime Tiffsters, you guys will remember this thing. I kept this in my background of my videos for like a 1.5 years straight. So many things. Oh my god, Moosey. Do you guys remember Moosey? Moosey. No, Zobear. Moosey is not to eat. Do not eat him. He is your friend. There's a lot of random stuff that's inside of here. Looking through this stuff brings back such good memories of Christmases in the past, but we're gonna make better memories in the future. It's only gonna be better from here.
Hi.
Excited to decorate?
So excited.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Pretty.
Look, I cleaned.
Hey.
Are you ready for Target?
I'm so ready. I'm gonna push you around in the cart. Yeah.
I love when you do that.
Yeah?
It's my favorite. Yeah. I get to be lazy.
It's cold.
It's so cold right now. Did you ever think that we'd be going Christmas shopping together?
No.
I would have never thought.
Can't believe we've made it this far.
I know! All thanks to Hinge. Out of 5 stars, how would you rate our date?
I would say a 5.
Really? I would say
mean,
it's
look
a
where
5
we are
too.
now.
Honestly, it was a great date.
Question.
Yes.
How would you rate our first date?
Are you kidding? 6 out of 5 stars.
Wow, you're making me look bad.
Didn't it? Oh, was that me?
Buckle up.
30. Baby.
Oh, it's got the prettiest little eyes.
Do you think it has a home?
No, it looks like a stray.
Oh my god, it does.
I think so. We should start an animal, what do you call that?
Sanctuary.
Yes.
We should start a sanctuary.
That would really be like a good thing to do for humanity.
We're here. Really want to sit in a cart, so we have to find one that isn't wet. It's happening. My favorite. I'm gonna look at you today.
You're gonna look at me?
Yeah. All right, we have 2 things so far, not Christmas themed. I feel like this little leaf is a vibe.
It is a vibe.
Oh my god, we're here.
That's kind of cute. Are you kidding?
Okay, Matt and I can't tell if this is a cute polar bear or ugly. Okay, get me out. Thank you very much. Sweet, I survived. We need white ornaments. We're doing an all white tree. I feel like all their stuff is so sad. Matt found an ornament that says Zobear on it. We're having a dilemma. Oh my god, they have them here. Mia, if you are watching this, I just found our cookies. Once we left the Christmas section, I was going to sit back inside the cart, but let me just show you guys this cart because I definitely cannot fit in this cart. It's filled with so much stuff. We have the most random things in here. We have some bread, we have some, ow, ow. Matthew, where are we at?
Target number 2.
Target number 2. I love the fact that you're so down to go to like multiple Targets with me. Matt and I found ourselves. So he's the white one. I'm definitely the beige one. This is so cute. Where are we?
Target number 3.
This Target is also lacking in the Christmas spirit. I don't know about this 3rd Target, guys. It looks really sad. These are so cute. Whee!
What is that?
I found this. It was the only one left, and it's the cutest ornament ever. So much white, so much gold. We also got Zobear a bunch of stuff for Christmas. We got everything we needed. We got our Christmas stuff. Yay!
Yeah.
3 Targets later, we got all our stuff. We got all our stuff.
I've never spent so much time
That was like
at Target.
a solid, like, quick 3 trips to 3 different Targets to get everything we needed. We got lights. We're ready for the top. Oh my god. Yeah. Ah, the lights are on. Also, we totally messed up. So there's just a pile of lights back here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Baby, I'm so happy with it. It looks so cute. I'm glad we got them. Good call. Oh my god, you guys. It looks so good, but we have 2 more little guys, and it's us. Should we put them together? We should put them together, right? The last ornament's on. It looks so good. Wait, but the real test is...
The lights off.
Oh my god. It looks good. It looks really good. It could be a little more lit. Lights on. A vibe.
Lights off. Needs a
little
improvement.
Yeah.
But we did good.
I like it. C T. So Matt and I decided to make a second tree, and oh my god, it is the cutest tree ever. It's literally an ugly tree, and I kind of love that it's an ugly tree. But in real life, it looks way better than it does on camera. It just needs some like Christmas lights. So you guys saw the house this morning when I was cleaning everything, but here's what it looks like with all the holiday decor up. And then we have these little like stocking holders, and I just put this guy on top of it so it's a little bit heavier. And then we have a little reindeer, and then this one has like a little water plant on it. Here is the tree. So pretty. So pretty. It says So Bear. Alright guys, so that was it with today's video of us decorating for Christmas time. Did you have fun decorating with me?
Mm-hmm. So much fun.
I'm excited for like next year already. Like I can't wait to like change things up.
Top it.
I don't know how we're gonna top that.
I didn't think the tree was gonna turn out that good, to be honest.
What? It's so pretty. Stop what?
Get
what are
out
you
of
stopping?
Here.
Ow!
Sorry.
You just totally pushed me. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Comment down below. Comment, what should they comment?
Ornament.
Comment down ornaments if you guys made it to the end of the video, because we want to know if you did or not. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.